Discover the joy of summer fun in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a delightful topic that everyone loves, summer fun. Whether it's the warmth of the sun or the cool splash of the ocean, summer fun is a phrase that brings smiles and excitement. Let's explore what this phrase means and how you can use it to express your joyful summer experiences in English. Get ready to add some sunshine to your language skills. When we talk about summer fun, we're referring to the enjoyable activities and experiences that are typically associated with the summer season. Summer is a time when the days are longer, the weather is warmer, and for many, it's a break from school or work routines. Summer fun embodies the spirit of relaxation, adventure, and making happy memories. Key components of summer fun: outdoor activities, like swimming, hiking, and barbecues. Social events, including festivals, picnics, and beach parties. Relaxation, like sunbathing, reading a good book, or napping in a hammock. Travel and vacations, exploring new places or visiting favorite spots. Let's put summer fun into action. Here are some examples of how you can use this phrase in sentences. I'm really looking forward to some summer fun with my family at the lake house. The park is filled with people enjoying summer fun, from frisbee games to outdoor concerts. Nothing beats the summer fun of a road trip with friends, discovering hidden gems along the way. By using the phrase in various contexts, you become more comfortable with its nuances and how it reflects the joy of the season. Summer fun isn't just about activities, it's also about the cultural significance of summer. In many cultures, summer is a time for festive celebrations, like the 4th of July in the United States, where fireworks and parades add to the summer fun. Seasonal food, such as ice cream, watermelon, and fresh seafood, which are all part of the summer fun experience. Childhood memories. For adults, summer fun often includes recollections of carefree childhood summers. Understanding the cultural aspects can enrich your comprehension and allow you to share your own experiences more vividly. How can you make the most of your summer? Here are some tips. Be open to trying new activities. Take advantage of the long days to explore your surroundings. Don't forget to stay hydrated and protect yourself from the sun. Most importantly, relax and have fun. Summer fun is as much about a state of mind as it is about what you do. I hope you've enjoyed our sunny journey through the meaning of summer fun and how it weaves into the English language and culture. May your summers be filled with joy, adventure, and relaxation. Keep practicing your English, and don't forget to enjoy all the fun that this wonderful season has to offer. Until next time, have a fantastic day and happy learning.